Wait, is this on? Yes. Hey, my limits. It's Mother's Day. And what better thing to do on Mother's Day than to get stuff done that will relieve your stress and your worries and yeah, give you a peace of mind, you know? You see mommy's camera? Yeah, I am getting things ready for the party. Just this one thing, I wanted to make sure that this fit in the frames that I got. I bought some frames yesterday. These are gonna go on the tables, the table for the gifts. Then I'm gonna have a snack table with the snacks and the drinks. So the theme is like airplanes, you know. So yeah, I got these frames. I printed out, I made these on Canva. I just did something really quick. I'm like, let me not get too technical. I need to even make sure if these colors look good with the decorations that I bought, which actually came in yesterday. So I'm gonna be unboxing that as well. I was gonna say, I need to make sure that the colors match this, but I think it's okay. I know the shades might be a little off maybe, but we're gonna keep this. It fits perfectly. I actually had to cut it because I don't know why in my head I'm like, okay, the sheet of paper, what is it, 11 by 8.5 inches? I'm like, let me find a frame that fits that exact measurement. But I'm like, well, I can actually trim these white edges because I did not find any 8.5 by 11 frames exactly. So I got the 8 by 10 ones. Walmart, guys. Walmart, and they look beautiful. I think they're simple and cute, and what really makes it stand out is the design, the colors on the piece of paper. Okay, I'm cutting the white edges and I'm making this fit the frame. And my little one, my little baby, is over here playing while I'm doing this.
Free, 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 free.
We got this done, y'all. This is ready to go. Yay! Mommy did it. Time to play with my baby. We're cutting jackfruit.
We're cutting jackfruit or I'm cutting jackfruit?
Babe is cutting jackfruit. Don't you have to cut it a certain way?
No, you gotta end up tearing the... Yes, buddy. Okay. You have to end up taking the fruit out. It's the core that's messing me up.
It looks cool though.
It smells good.
Oh my gosh. Is it even ready?
What you mean?
Like, it doesn't look very ripe.
It is ripe. You can smell it. If it
I'm
wasn't...
just saying, it looks so sticky, like...
That's how it's supposed to be. If it wasn't ready, you wouldn't smell it.
What are the benefits? Do you know any?
This is my first my first time going blind eating a fruit. Normally I don't.
It looks like it would be good for your stomach because it's like so sticky.
Something, cause what the heck?
Mango and carrot.
It kind of smells like mango, and it kind of smells like other fruits in one.
Okay, do you want to go play? You gotta take that off.
Yeah, the core. That's what they were saying. This mug is tough though. Okay, I'm almost there. One person spent hours picking the fruit out.
My dad did give me some of this, actually. Oh, and the neighbors had some of this.
Yeah, he says he gets some from the neighbors.
Yeah. It's so good.
Is it?
The one I had is sweet.
No, it's sweet. It's right. Tastes good. I know it would taste better cold.
Can I give some to Kiki?
It's like it got like a pineapple flavor and a mango flavor. It's kind of like, yeah, if this was cold, this would be the way. Like this is all meat. Look, this is all the fruit right here. If I can get it. I mean, I know I will, but that's part
That
of
part is not sticky though.
No, that's the part you eat.
Okay. Here, Kiki. I'm eating all of them. Hey guys, my throat is a little raspy because I don't know if it's the allergies. I don't know if it's the change of weather here in Houston. And now it's like hot, but then it gets cool. And I have been drinking teas, eating soups, eating fruits to keep my immune system up and get rid of the mucus. Really quick, I want to put on a face mask that I got as one of my Mother's Day gifts. Shout out to Michaela, my brother's girlfriend. I assume she's the one that picked it out. It was a gift from both of them. This is the face mask that I got that I'm gonna be using. Let's see. It says cleanse and dry thoroughly. Did that. Open the packet, remove the mask, peel off the 2 liners, leaving only the thin gel-like mask. Apply gently over your face and smooth the mask. Leave on and relax for up to 10 minutes. And pat any remaining serum onto the skin. Okay, so I don't have to rinse it off. Cool, 10 minutes. All right, cool. Let's do this. It's been so long since I've put a mask on, guys. Peel off the 2 liners. What? Oh, okay. All right, so here's, okay, it's jelly-like, I think. Okay, so here's 1 liner. 1 liner off. The other liner off. Wait, how do I think I'm supposed to, orange. This does not smell good. I'm gonna come out and scare Jama'kai. He's not gonna even know what the heck is going on. Oh, I like the feeling. Okay, it says smooth onto face, so that's what we doing. Bro, it's been so long since I've had a mask on. Oh my gosh, I think this is my first one postpartum. I'm not gonna lie. Gotta make sure it's on my nose because I've been having blackheads like crazy. Perfect. Let's go scare Jama'kai.
It's like, what are we doing? Like, it's dang near point. You look like the what's that one movie, The Blue People, with the mask. She gonna walk out with this face mask on. I wasn't expecting that. I just happened to look up and she over here.
Oh, you was talking to Nathalie.
Yeah.
Nathalie, you over there scaring your girl? Oh my God. Like, has Nathalie ever been to one of them black churches?
No.
You need to take her to the black church because she ain't gonna get my joke. With the mime dancers.
Yeah, she caught me off guard walking out here like that. I was like, what the heck?
Y'all believe in y'all's y'all believe in y'all's Facebook care, huh?
This is the first time I did it in a while.
I could be like y'all when I grow up.
Hey guys, so I am going to be opening this box. Jama'kai already halfway opened it until I told him that I was gonna make a video for it, but I didn't see anything yet. So this is the first time I'm unboxing it, and my little one made his way over here, So basically, this box is an order from Amazon that I placed for baby boy's first birthday. And he wants my mic. Clap. Stand up. 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 We have these. This is their little, let me open it. Like table centerpiece things. Oh my gosh, they're so small and flimsy. What the heck? Ugh. I guess we'll just have a little photo in the middle. This is the centerpieces that we're gonna have. Oh my gosh, if I would have known. Why they're so flimsy? Ugh. I do not like that. I mean, they seem durable, but this is just a little flimsy. They're little airplane. Ugh. Let me see it. The theme is airplanes, so it's a little centerpiece we're gonna have in the middle at the tables. We're gonna have a little photo of baby boy, you know, a little memorable take home thing. Yeah, for your birthday party. So yeah, we're gonna have little photos in the middle of the tables for the guests to take. All right, so we'll keep these. I think there's like, yeah, there's 12 in here. That's enough. Oh, I gotta open everything so I can check the quality. But so we have balloons. These are perfect. These are the colors that we need. Brown, neutral, gray, blue. There's a little one thing that will go over his high chair. Okay, I did not expect it to have like this shade of blue, but maybe it'll go well. Maybe it'll be fine. It's a little like banner thing, I guess you could say. This is like, this is a banner where like you're supposed to put each photo. I don't think I'm gonna use this. So this, another little banner thing, just decorations. I'm not gonna be crazy with the decorations, but you know, we wanna have something there. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. His little hat. I love it. So far, this is not bad. This is really not bad. A banner. Looks a little faded, but. Oh, that's because it's like inside out type thing, I think. Oh wait, never mind. This is the color. Huh? Is this for like the table? I'm confused. Oh, I think it's for the table. Okay, okay. This is like a table. What's it called? A table cover. Then we have balloon. I think this is a banner. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna make a mess. Oh, they come with little pins. I think this is for the photos. Ow. And then this is a little like, these are the boxes where you put the balloons in. So far it's good. We're gonna keep this. This has some little decorations, okay? We placed the order on the tent. The tent that's gonna be in the backyard. We placed the order for the moonwalk. So that's gonna be good for the kids to play with, and maybe my baby boy will wanna go on it too. And then what else? I know the desserts, the cakes, the cupcakes gonna be good. We got some drinks. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. We got majority of the stuff. I think the next big thing is figuring out the food, like how much that's gonna cost and what we're even gonna serve, because we're in between a few different things that we want to have. And then we need the outfits. Mine, Jama'kai's, and baby boy's outfits. And then I need to put tape on the thing. We gotta take his pictures. Yeah, next is outfits, y'all.